Chapter 8. Animal Worlds. Write short answers to the questions below. 1. What is the fastest land animal? Answer: cheetah. 2. What do we call animals that live both on land and in water? Answer: amphibians. 3. Which bird rotates its head almost all the way around? Answer: owl. 4. What is the only mammal that can fly? Answer: bat. 5. Which water animal has the best sense of smell? Answer: shark. 6. What is a male duck called? Answer: a drake. 7. Which animal is known for its loud roar? Answer: lion. 8. What do bees collect from flower? Answer: nectar. 9. What is the smallest animal on the desert? Answer: sand rat. 10. Name an animal that can swim very long distances. Answer: whale. 11. Which animal has the best sense of balance? Answer: cat. 12. Name an animal that can fly very high. Answer: eagle. 13. What is the smallest animal in the ocean? Answer: zooplankton. 14. What is the largest animal in the desert? Answer: camel. 15. Write 2 characteristics of mammals. Answer: 2 characteristics of mammals are: 1. Give birth to young ones. 2. Suckle their young ones. 16. Write 2 characteristics of birds. Answer: 2 characteristics of birds are: 1. They have feathers. 2. They lay eggs. 17. What do animals need to survive? Answer: animals need food, water, shelter and space to survive. 18. What are herbivores? Answer: herbivores are animals that eat plants and plant-based food. 19. What is a carnivore? Answer: a carnivore is an animal that eats meat and other animals. 20. What is an omnivore? Answer: an omnivore is an animal that eats both plants and animals. 21. What are the different types of animal habitats? Answer: animal habitats include desert, forest, grassland, ocean, and freshwater.